Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. Today we're going to make Royal Heiny LOL. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Do it. That's what to do it.
Say, all right, you just saw a slideshow. I hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your Royal Heiny LOL. And hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.